Ever dreamed of studying abroad and starting a global career? You're not alone. Thousands of Nepali students step out every year chasing opportunity. But the real question isn't where you'll go. It's how you'll start safely, confidently, and smartly. For many students, the path abroad begins with confusion. Too many consultancies, too little trust. Every wrong choice costs time, money, and sometimes dreams. That's why your first step matters more than your flight ticket, because shortcuts and shiny promises can cost you the journey. Choose trust, choose transparency. Start right, and everything else moves forward. Mobeeco is Nepal's first verified edtech platform that connects students to trusted consultancies, scholarships, and expert advisors all in one app. No guesswork, no scams, just verified guidance that opens real opportunities abroad. From Nepal to the world with checks at every step. See verification, expertise, and student feedback before you decide. Discover scholarships and connect with advisors who put students first. Security that leads to takeoff. It starts with one safe step. When you study abroad, your education doesn't just give you a degree, it gives you mobility. Access to global internships, research projects, and cross-border job markets. With Mobeeco, you can compare countries based on cost, courses, and work rights. So you choose smarter, not harder. Clarity brings confidence, and confidence opens doors. The real value of studying abroad, the people you meet, professors, peers, and mentors who can shape your career path, connections that travel further than any single application. Mobeeco helps you connect with verified consultancies that already have international networks, giving you a head start even before you land. Because relationships create recommendations, and recommendations create results. Reach out, book, and build your circle with confidence. Your network becomes your map, and your map becomes momentum. This is how careers are made. Part-time jobs abroad teach independence and help manage living costs. You gain skills, confidence, and community, and you learn the rhythm of a new workplace. Mobeeco partners with consultancies that guide you on legal work policies, post-study visas, and financial planning, so you stay informed from day one. Plan your money with a clear view of reality. When you work smart, every hour pays you back in experience. Balance becomes your superpower, and informed choices create confident futures. Studying abroad opens your mind. You don't just earn a degree, you learn perspective. New cultures, languages, and experiences shape you into a true global citizen. You find your place and your purpose. And it all starts safely with Mobeeco verifying your consultancy before your first step. A secure path lets your world get bigger fast, because when you're safe, you're free to explore. And every milestone feels shared. This is growth beyond grades. Thousands of Nepali students are now chasing global dreams through verified consultancies found on Mobeeco, because when your process is transparent, your path becomes unstoppable. From Kathmandu to Calgary, Sydney, and London, a trusted bridge. Real guidance, real outcomes. Peace of mind for families, progress for students. This is what verified looks like. So yes, abroad study opens global opportunities, but the safest way to unlock them begins here, with Mobeeco guiding your every step from comparison to takeoff. Safe start equals strong future. Choose verified. Choose Mobeeco. Your global journey doesn't have to start with confusion, it can start with confidence. Download Mobeeco today. Compare consultancies, connect with verified experts, and step into your global future safely. When you start right, everything else follows. Mobeeco, your first safe step to global opportunities. Start smart. Start verified. Start with Mobeeco.